All right, guys, we got Ryan here is going to finish up his 6-box case of 2013 Panini America's Pastime Baseball. All right, the gauntlet has been thrown down. If I do not produce a big hit in the first 3 boxes, I'm going to the bench. I'm being benched in favor of Mr. Buffy.
The rookie.
All right, Ryan. Let's see what we got here. I'll save the booklet until the end. Start off with Felix Hernandez, number 2/125. Eddie Murray, number 2/125. And to 125, Yogi Berra. Brandon Workman, number 2/125, rookie. Jumbo jersey of Max Scherzer to 125. Harold Reynolds, Majestic Marks, number to 125. Dual jersey of Tony Gwynn, number to 125, 2-color. Combo swatches. Boys of Summer autograph, 4/10. Bill Buckner. National Treasures rookie autograph memorabilia. All right, so this could be a jersey autograph. Very nice. Jose Fernandez. That's a pretty nice hit.
Okay, Jose.
We've got an autograph of Alan Trammell. That one is numbered to 49. And it looks like we're going to have a dual autograph here. Hitters, Inc. 35/49. Very cool. On card, Mike Hargrove and Andre Thornton.
That is a book that you don't see very often.
Cleveland Baseball Club. I like how they're putting the old teammates together, though.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. All right, box number 2. All right, Ryan says not bad, so I must be off the hook. Am I off the hook, Ryan? This is interesting. There's only one base on the bottom. Alright, let's do this. Let me flip this around. All the cards are backwards in this box.
Uh-oh, batting out time.
Joey Tordoslavich, number to 125, rookie. Max Scherzer to 125. And Satchel Paige, 125. Phil Necro, Characters of the Game insert to 125. And we got the Straw Man, Darryl Strawberry. Silhouettes, that is number to 125, jumbo jersey. Swatches, dual jersey, Mike Piazza, number 299. Inked, Asdrubal Cabrera to 125, number 225, excuse me. We've got a Sean Tolson, rookie autograph, number 225. Pastime signatures of Pat Tabler, number to 125. And Superstar Scripts, number 20/20. Another duel. Alan Trammell and Lance Parrish. Detroit Tigers. All right, box number 3. Cut the seal the whole way. right. We've got Steve Carlton to 125. Anthony Rizzo, 125. Donnie Baseball, first class, 125. And Taylor Jordan, rookie to 125. Dual jersey, Felix Hernandez, combo swatches, numbered to 125. And Sky Bolt, Team USA, jumbo jersey to 125.
Pretty good name.
All right, we've got dual patch, little prime piece here. Alex Rodriguez, 3-color. That is 5 of 10. Then we have a Mike Napoli, Pastime signatures, numbered to 25. That's a good hit here. Redemption. Pastime signatures gold, card number 52, George Brett. Then we've got an autograph of Jose Canseco, number to 125. And dual exhibits, numbered 1 of 99. Jumbo jerseys of Jared Parker and Tom Malone. All right, the last box. What do you think? Do you want Buffy to open, or you want me to go? Forget Buffy. He's sitting in the background doing nothing.
I am doing nothing right now. Doing nothing.
I might let him break a basketball box later.
Baller. Break some hockey.
All right, something filthy to end the case, please. Something filthy. So weird how these are all backwards. All right, start off with Alex Colome, number to 125, rookie. Ian Kinsler to 125. And Edwin Encarnacion, number to 25. Invincible, Jackie Robinson, number to 125. We have a silhouette, Anthony Rizzo. 2-color, that's number 299. This is a pretty cool piece here. Kind of a eclectic group. Hannes Wagner, Derek Jeter, and Starlin Castro, numbered 5 of 5, past, present, and future. Hannes Wagner, Derek Jeter, and Starlin Castro.
Starlin Castro.
5 of 5.
Interesting.
All right, then we've got an Alan Webster, rookie autograph to 125. Jersey autograph, Chris Rusin. That's the National Treasures. And that one is numbered to 99. Pastime signatures, Rob Dibble to 125. And a booklet numbered 5 of 49, Jackie Bradley Jr. This is a rookie booklet. Alrighty.
Yes.
That'll do it, Ryan. Appreciate it. And I will get all this out to you as soon as I can, buddy. Later.